Let's begin with the parent component located on the server side. Here, we start by importing the child component, also a server component. We define the parent component as a functional component that accepts props. We're creating a constant called parent data to hold the data we want to pass down to the child component. Then, we render the child component and pass parent data as a prop named parent prop. Notice how seamlessly we treat server components just like we do with traditional React components, despite the fact that they never execute on the client side. Moving on to the child component, it's also server-side and is responsible for displaying data passed from the parent component. The props object to structuring and the function's parameter list allows us to directly extract parent prop. We then use this prop within the component's JSX to render a paragraph element that displays the received data. This demonstrates the unidirectional flow of data from parent to child component, which is a core concept in React, irrespective of where the components are actually rendered. Next, JS provides the concept of middleware, which allows us to run code before a request is completed. In our _middleware.js file, we're importing next response from next server, and our middleware function simply calls next response next to continue processing the request. Middleware can be very powerful for tasks such as authentication, redirections, and server-side analytics. Here, we have a basic setup that could be expanded with additional server-side logic as needed. In this example page component, we see how to incorporate the parent component within a Next.js page. After importing the parent component, we define the example page function component, which accepts props and then renders the parent component, passing in new props received from the server. This could be data fetched in getServerSide props or getStatic props on the server side. By doing so, we can hydrate our server components with dynamic data at render time.